Okay, so Rajat ji, आपने हमारा एक सेशन अटेंड किया था, थिया सेशन ऑन एआई एंड ऑटोमेशन फॉर सीए, सीएस एंड सीएमए। आई वांट टू नो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, अगर आप एक अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे सके कि आप क्या प्रोफाइल है आपका, किस सिटी से आप बिलोंग करते हैं, एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सर्विसेज यू प्रोवाइड।
Thank you, Princy. So myself, C. Rajat Anand. I am based out in Delhi, NCR, serving MSMEs majorly with the pain points difficult or maybe the pain points the MSMEs struggle with. Sometimes profitability or maybe cumbersome processes, all those things. So a lot of things like that. So mentioned in detail, but yes, so I've been handling those kind of things, automation through ERPs. But yes, once attended your session, so I connected a lot. The way it has been designed so well that you can take it as a moment, like जैसे देश में पूरा एक moment चलता है, you can take it as that kind of a thing. I saw that as that, so that you can actually serve people, serve MSMEs like that with a great team, with a intellectual team, and the people who have not been able to do it singularly, fully, they can do it in a team now. So that I think that's going to bring a lot of change, reform, changes and it's taking everyone together along. So loved it, the way you designed it.
So Rajat ji, मैं पूछना चाहूंगा, when you have seen some ad of basically this session, or you have got a call or something, so why did you decided to attend that session in the first place?
I mean, I was getting that reminder call on a regular basis, but I was not clear whether I'll be available in that slot or not. But yes, I kept on registering. I kept myself registered, but I was keen to attend because I'm also curious to see what the person is offering. A lot of times we find a lot of selling in the and that's where I disconnect and I just go, despite whatever the fee is or whatever they are doing, I just cut off. I connected with the vision or the kind of designing that you did. You're taking everyone along. You're not that the charges also you said the way you designed it is so well as I said.
That's great. So, Rajat ji, after attending the session, I want to know what was your overall experience. You have told us, but what is that one thing? Because we have discussed lead generation, social media branding automation, we have seen WhatsApp automation, Excel automation, we have seen, so VBA macros and all. Then workflow automation, DBMS. What is that one thing that fascinates you the most, and you think ये तो मुझे आज ही apply कर देना चाहिए? What is that one thing?
I mean, most of the automations that we discussed, most of them were either like solely or something we had discussed or seen somewhere, right? But bundling all of them in a row, in a process was the catch. That if you're able to do these 10 or maybe 15 or 20 things together, and then you are able to automate well. The way you told that the client reaches out and can just download the reports or maybe the ITR or maybe the GSTR or whatever his data is automatically. You need not to share it. So I would love to achieve that also. Would love to see that first, and then obviously that where the excitement goes out like that. So all the automation in isolation are fine. Everybody, one or the other profession is offering it, but bundling it in a right manner is the thing. So I would say the best thing you did is just designing it, be it the team or be it the automation.
Great. So last one thing, basically जो भी आपके feedback देखते हैं fellow professional, be it CA, CS, CMA or tax consultant, I want to know what do you want to suggest to them about not just our course but for AI and automation in general. आप क्या suggest करेंगे about कि इनको apply करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए? What is the future with AI and automation?
There was a time when computer had come. तो सब बोलते थे कि computer आ गया तो अब हम क्या करें. आज हम सब लोग computer से laptop से काम कर रहे हैं और हम लोगों का और ज्यादा busy हो गया. Right? We have evolved things like. So accordingly आज वो reform AI automation से है और अगर उसको हमने सीख लिया तो ठीक. Otherwise आज जो situation है, ऐसे person एक ऐसे professional जो computer use नहीं करता, जो आप आज की situation है कल को आप उसको consider कर सकते हैं. For now I'm including myself because I have not been learning that. I will go to the process. I'm just onboarded and look forward to upgrading myself. कल को वो कंप्यूटर है, अगर वो नहीं होगा तो विल गो ऑफ मार्केट. दैट इज ट्रू.
जैसे क्या होता है मार्केट में भी अभी लोग डराते हैं कि भाई एआई आ गया, एआई विल रिप्लेस यू, एआई विल रिप्लेस यू, बट आई थिंक एआई वोंट रिप्लेस यू. पर्सन यूजिंग एआई डेफिनेटली विल. एआई आपको रिप्लेस नहीं करेगा, बट जो एआई के साथ अलाइन कर लेगा खुद को, वो जो आपको रिप्लेस कर लेगा. तो वो अभी जो अकेले ही काम करता तो वो आज की डेट में एआई के बाद 2 या 3 लोगों का काम वो खुद ही हैंडल कर लेगा. तो दैट्स द चैलेंज अहेड कि या तो आप एआई सीख लो या फिर आप वो बन बन जाओ जो कंपटीशन से बाहर हो जाएंगे, ठीक है। तो आपने काफी अच्छा फीडबैक दिया रजत जी, थैंक यू फॉर सच एन ऑसम फीडबैक एंड बेसिकली वर्ड्स लाइक दिस मोटिवेट मी एंड माय टीम आल्सो, कि आपने जैसे बताया हमने जो चीज डिजाइन किया, अलाइन किया, तो मोटिवेट मी कि हम उसमें ज्यादा से ज्यादा वैल्यू एडिशन कर सके और ज्यादा उसको इम्प्रूव कर सके, सो दैट वी कैन ऐड वैल्यू टू द कम्युनिटी। So, last one permission from you. Are we allowed to upload this feedback, just 2 to 3 minute feedback on our official YouTube channel, LinkedIn, and Instagram on our official platform? Are we allowed?
Please
Okay.
go ahead, sir.
So, thank you for your permission.